everyone, Nikki from NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for another segment in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing a wild rice and mushroom soup. So let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. Okay, we're ready to start our wild rice and mushroom soup. So we're going to put our broth into the Instant Pot. We'll start with that. This is just vegetable broth. Mushrooms, the veggies, the rice, the onion, garlic, and our spices. And we're going to give that a stir. And then put the lid on, and we're going to pressure cook for 25 minutes and then allow for a 10-minute natural release before flipping the valve for quick release. So our mushroom and wild rice soup has finished cooking. So we're going to just give it a stir. We're going to fish out this bay leaf. Give it a stir. And then we're going to add in our can of coconut milk. And the kale. And give it a stir, and then it's ready to go. Here's our wild rice and mushroom soup. Hope you enjoyed today's segment. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. As always, the recipe can be found in the description of the video. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. Thanks so much for joining us. See you next time.